proceed with step 1. Right? What this step 1 indicates is it is a row operation. Row operation means we have to identify the lowest element in each row and we have to subtract the lowest element of that row from that respective row. Then likewise we have to continue with the given table. Earlier we had the data and the elements in the table. Those elements we have to take into consideration and we have to subtract the lowest element of that particular row from that respective row. So we will see what were the values earlier and how we are going to do that. This is step 1. And once this is over, then we'll proceed to step 2. And in assignment problem, we have not only minimization is there, we can also do maximization. That means there are certain situations in organizations where we may have to maximize. For example, when it comes to the output of workers, then we may have to maximize the output. Or maybe when it comes to sales, then we have to maximize the sales or revenues. So likewise, these kind of things may arise. In that situations, we will use this maximization. Minimization problem will be used either to reduce the cost or to minimize the time to complete the jobs, because indirectly this will also reduce the cost, because if the time taken to complete a job is reduced, means that will result in the output which will result in the cost only. So now we will take the table, earlier table. The minimization was based on the table earlier which we have used. So in this table we have seen in the first row we have 10, 15, 11, 16, 18 are there. Among them 10 is the least element and we have to subtract that element from all the elements of that W1 row. So we will get 0, 10 minus 10, then 15 minus 10, 5, then 11 minus 10, 1, 16 minus 10, 6, 18 minus 10, 8. Then we'll see W2 row, that is 12, 19, 8, 15, 13. Among these things, as we know, 8 is the lowest element. So 12 minus 8, 4, 19 minus 8, 11, 8 minus 8, 0, 15 minus 8, 7, 13 minus 8, 5. Then next row we'll see that in W3 row 10 is the least element, because we have 10, 16, 17, 21, 14. So 10 is the least element which should be subtracted from all the elements of that row, W3 row. 10 minus 10, 0, 16 minus 10, 6, 17 minus 10, 7, 20 minus 21 minus 10, 11, 14 minus 10, 4. Similarly, for next row, the minimum element is 9. So we'll write down like 13 minus 9, 4, 9 minus 9, 0, 11 minus 9, 2, then 15 minus 9, 6, 12 minus 9, 3. Then the fifth row, we'll see that is W5 row. In this, the lowest element is 9. So 16 minus 9, 7, 18 minus 9, 9, 13 minus 9, 4, 14 minus 9, 5, and 9 minus 9, 0. So this is the what we call as row operation. Once we finish this row operation, we will proceed to next step.